So the top rated comment in my last hair video was asking for a tutorial on the hairstyle I had during the talking segments. Now, although my hair has grown out since then, I've decided to fulfill that request. So I present to you my 90s Leonardo DiCaprio inspired hairstyle. Hope you guys find it helpful. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. We are posting a lot more. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, let's quickly talk hair measurements. I've been growing my hair out for about 5 to 6 months now. The front or fringe of my hair comes down to my top lip, so we're in the region of 7 to 8 inches. The sides are significantly shorter, but still within the region of 3 to 4 inches, and the back is about an inch shorter than the front. This hairstyle is very versatile, so you can do this with shorter hair like I had in my previous hair video, or you can do it with longer hair. Much like 90s Leo, I prefer this hairstyle with grown out sides as opposed to the undercut alternative. We're going to start off with clean towel dried hair, and then we're going to apply our first product. I'm going in with a hair oil from We Are Paradox. Any hair oil will work here. Essentially, we just want to relax the hair as much as possible, keep it natural looking. Once we've applied the hair oil, I'm going in with a leave-in conditioner. Again, this is by We Are Paradox. Here I would suggest applying a much lighter product, so a cream, a light paste, or a leave-in conditioner like I am here. Once you've evenly distributed your pre-styler, we're then going to work on finding our parting. As this is DiCaprio inspired, I'm making my parting a little over from the side of my head, but if you want to change up your parting, maybe make it more of a centered middle parting, that also works, so feel free to play with it. Once you've found your desired parting, a method that you may want to consider is by wearing a hairband to lock the parting in place. Allowing your hair to naturally dry like this will provide a fairly similar result than when you blow dry. For a more consistent result, you want to be using a brush and blow dryer. Set your blow dryer to a medium heat setting and keep the airflow nice and low. You want your blow dryer to be as close to your hair as possible. This way we're ensuring we don't get any unwanted volume. The hair's kept nice and natural, nice and flat. The medium heat setting is to ensure we don't burn our scalp or hair, but also because we don't want our hair to dry too quickly and frizz. To be patient with this step, it may take a while. It's also worth noting I'm always following the direction of hair. So the hair on the right, I'm blow drying right. The hair on the left, I'm blow drying left. Once your hair is eventually dried, it's fairly optional what you do from here. You can finish the tutorial here if you're liking what you see. However, if you want that all day hold, I would suggest going in with a high holding clay. A lot of the time I do skip this step, but it does provide a lot more structure and hold if that's what you're going for. Ensure that you evenly distribute your clay. You don't want it clumping at all. I'm using Hans DeFoucault's Claymation. It's been one of my favorite and most consistent products over the last 3 or 4 years. And from here, I just encourage you to really work the product in for a couple of minutes. Play around with your hair, see what kind of shapes, layers, textures you feel best suit you. And hopefully by the end of this, you should have a 90s Leonardo DiCaprio inspired hairstyle.